Welcome to myautomaticada.com. We're glad that you're here. If you are a business owner and you have a website, then you need to have ADA compliance and WCAG compliance on your website. And ADA is American with Disabilities Act. A lot of business owners know what ADA is, especially if you have a building or an office. You probably have handicap parking outside or handicap accessible bathroom. You see Braille, for example. All these different things are to be compliant with the ADA laws. And so the thing about your website that a lot of business owners don't realize is that also has to be ADA compliant. It's the law. You have to have it. And so it's not an option or a choice. So, if you don't have your website ADA compliant, then essentially you could be sued. If you have someone with a disability that goes to your website and can't interact with your website in a way that they need to, basically, to be able to read it, then essentially they could sue you, and it happens all the time. Okay, and so this is the website that you could go to. It's myautomaticada.com. And what we would do is you would just reserve a spot here. So make my website ADA compliant. Enter your information in your website and contact me. And my name is Jay. I'll reach out to you. And what we would do is put, if you look at the bottom right of your screen, this little guy right here, this is what makes your website ADA compliant. And so essentially what happens is if someone with a disability comes on the website, they're going to be looking for this. And when they click it, it's going to bring up a menu. Okay. And essentially there's a couple different options here. You have epilepsy safe mode. What this is on your website, if you have any flashing banners, for example, they can turn that off, right? And it darkens the website a little bit and it would keep stuff from flashing. So that's one option. We also have visually impaired. So if you kind of look right here, see this writing here, and let me turn it on. Look how much brighter that is, and it helps people that are visually impaired see it easier. Also, cognitive disability mode. It basically kind of puts boxes around everything so that people can, interact with the website and see, read certain things on it. Another thing is ADHD friendly mode. And this is really neat. So as they're scrolling through the website here, it kind of shows them like, okay, this is where I'm supposed to read, and it helps them focus. Okay. We also have blindness mode, which is similar to visually impaired. However, it didn't make it as bright. It just makes it bigger. And then you can mute sounds. You could hide images. See how that turns off the images? Really cool. You could have a virtual keyboard. You can highlight certain things, make your cursor bigger. So anyways, all of these different things are what you need to have to make your website ADA compliant. And so when you contact us, when you click the button and you enter your information, I'm going to be calling you, and all I need is to have access to your website. So there's a login and password that you have, and I'll create what's called a embed code, and the embed code will be put in the body of the website, and that's what will create this, and it's automatic. And in fact, it will also remember their settings, so next time they come to your website, if they had to have the virtually impaired, then every time they come to your website, it will automatically look like that. So just a few more things about the website here. You can come down here and read some information and case studies that have happened and what's going on with the ADA. So if you want to read any of that, you're more than welcome to. And it doesn't cost very much per month to do this, and certainly it's going to save you a lot of heartache if you do get sued by having on your website. So reach out to us again. My name is Jay with myautomaticada.com, and I look forward to talking to you soon.